Hi, this is a quick walkthrough on some of the basic features on Microsoft Project User Interface. But let's start at the top of the screen, at the ribbon. This is where you find most of the tools and the commands in Project. The ribbon is organized into tabs like Tasks, Resources, Report, and Project. Each tab gives you access to a different set of features. For example, the Task tab lets you add tasks, link them, or set constraints, while the Resource tab is where you manage your team or other resources. And just like the behavior in other 365 desktop applications, the ribbon in Project changes depending on what you're working on. Down in the bottom right corner, you'll find buttons that let you change the view. The default view is Gantt chart, which shows a task or lists alongside a timeline, but you can also switch to views like task usage, calendar, or a resource sheet. Each view is designed to help you focus on different parts of the project, whether it's scheduling, workload, or resources. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the scheduling mode. Here you can choose between auto-scheduled or manual scheduled tasks. Auto-schedule means Project calculate the task's start and end dates based on dependencies, calendars, and constraints. Manually schedule gives you full control to set dates yourself, regardless of other tasks. You can switch these settings at any time and even mix modes within your project. In the main part of the screen, you'll see two key elements. On the left side, there is a task table, a spreadsheet-like list. On the right side, you'll see the Gantt chart, a timeline view that shows you when each task is scheduled, with horizontal bars representing duration. As you update the task list, the Gantt bars update automatically, giving a clear visual representation of your project's timeline. This makes it easier to see task durations, overlaps, and dependence at a glance. A powerful way to track projects and spot potential delays. The idea of the Gantt chart was first conceived by a Polish engineer named Karol Adamiecki way back in the 1890s. Adamiecki was a pioneer in the field of management and production, and he created this innovative tool to help visualize project schedules and timelines. Despite Adamiecki's groundbreaking work, the concept didn't gain widespread attention until an American engineer named Henning Gantt introduced it in the English-speaking world. Henry Gantt saw the immense potential of this tool and started using it to help organizations plan and manage their projects more effectively. And eventually the chart was named after him. Today the Gantt chart is an indispensable tool in project management. It's essentially a type of bar chart that illustrate a project schedule. On the left side, you'll list tasks or activities, and along the top, you have the time scale. Each task is represented by a bar, and the length of the bar corresponds to the duration of the task. This visual representation makes it easy to see which tasks are dependent on each other, which one can be done simultaneously, and how long the entire project will take.